everybody, Asang Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, we're going to do unboxing. This is not just for me, it's also for my girl. So, I am now wearing an anklet. So, as usual, I always put lotion in my feet because it's getting dry. So today I have to unbox, and we also do a try on video. So first is we're going to unbox this. Also for my daughter, and she have this t-shirt for school, so I'm gonna put here next to me what I unboxed today. And then just want you to enjoy watching. Okay, she have this tops. Some clips for the hair clump. I try to use my mic, but it's empty, so I need to charge. So for now, I'm just kind of, I have to speak it loud. So I have red and blue. And then, my God, chocolate. So she also have this one. I like this one. I can have this. So it's long sleeve. So in the mountain we use a lot of, all the time. It's like, for me, long sleeve, especially when I go out because of the, try to avoid the sun because it's very hot here. And then this one is a dress. Okay. Like a German outfit. So this one, so cute. And then you put this one as an inner. This one, inner, and with blouse. So I have to do this, and then if the video is long, so I'm going to make part 2 of this vlog. So like this. Okay. Shawl and blouse. So next is shoes. So this one is an original shoes. This is pizza. I'll do this first. So very cute, and I love the fabric. So what I love about Shein is very affordable, and they can get a lot of discount. Only I don't do the review because sometimes it takes time, and it's also the site is loading. So here is the shoes. So we'll see. It's mine, or forget about this. Oh, this is for my girl. School sandal. This is cute. I can try this on. I can borrow. I can use it for my vlog at the same time. Super cute. So I will see, because I will touching my nail polish today, so it's now dry. And then I can try on this one. Nice. It's easy to wear. You can just clip like this. There. And the quality is really good. So much options there for affordable price. So this one is about $20. It's I have to. Okay, I'm gonna stand here in the table. So I use the table for my vlogging area. Vlogging table for when I do unboxing. So this one. So this is my stage. I love it. So cute. Beautiful. I love this one. The quality is very good. So sometimes I think I have to speak Bisaya here in my dialect. So next, this is for my girl and this is mine. So let's see what I have here. Okay, I have this. What is this? Oh, fashion eyeglasses. Eyeglass. This is not mine. It's for my girl. And then I also have mine, long sleeve. When I go to school, I prefer to wear long sleeve. Okay. So this is dress because there's an event, school event, so I need to shop some clothing outfit. So this is dress.